Assalamualaikum viewers, today I'm here to make a painting. So let's start. So first we have to apply blue color for sky. Now I am about to draw mountains using black color. Now we have to draw a tree, and using tissue paper we have to make it leaves. Have to use white color to make a shiny moon. Now I'm clearing the sea view. Now I would like to make thorny branches using black color. Now I am punching on the branches to have a realistic clear view. It's completed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.